When I first came here, the alley was a bit of a dump. There was a dumpster right below my balcony. People did things next to it and in it that I, wouldn't wish on anyone.
The alleys were kind of considered a liability rather than an asset. And what the process has done is turned that liability into an asset that people are proud of. And the second is how strongly community-based the work is.
We imagined what it could be in 2020 and how it would have gotten there.
I thought, this is a great idea. I'm happy to jump on board with anything if I think it could happen. We did put the effort into it. I thought this is something that we should at least try.
One of the ideas that actually happened was to put the World Cup showing in the alley. We put the seats out and did a lot of publicity, and it was a huge hit.
We had acrobats performing one night in the alleys. I thought that was fabulous. We have done holiday dog costume judging in the alleys. That was fun. The only limits of what you can do in it as a public space is the limits of your imagination.
Well, the art program that goes on here, one of the wonderful things about it is that each artist gives you a vehicle to look at this alley in a different way and changes your perspective or your notion of the alley based on the tools of the art.
It was really dilapidated for the most part, so we just wanted to add some color and some life to it. This project just kind of evolved out of interest of improving an area, and this is what we've created. It's really nice.
The activation of the alley has really changed the alley as a whole. It made a huge difference just painting the outside of this back area. Pretty much instantly it seemed like there was a change going on. Getting rid of the dumpsters, kind of going to strict recycling and composting in the alley with the daily garbage pickup in the bags has changed the feel overall.
One of my indicators of cool urban use of space is not needing a parking lot, not catering to the car culture, and having something on scale with people and in moving through spaces. The transition of Nord Alley would see public art installations, gatherings of people, interesting people, vital people, energetic people. I kind of viewed that as essential, as an additional thing to bring people, move people through the alley and to create curiosity.
The revitalization of the alleyways and the improvements in the neighborhood have positively affected the foot traffic that has come to Pioneer Square. People from other neighborhoods such as Ballard, people from the east side.
Remaking the space with the presence of really healthy activity and fun, it created a different feel. Instead of the alleys being a place where people were talking about them being unsafe, it created a different feel where people were welcoming and that we were actually working together on some common problems and common issues.
I could see an opening in our door where people could actually watch the glass blowing straight from the alley right into the hot shop.
At least every other day I have somebody thank me for the change that I've brought to the neighborhood. It's not me, it's everybody that's involved in Pioneer Square right now, what they're bringing down here. It's extremely positive all the way around.
We worked together on a shared vision, and we had a different idea of what was possible in this neighborhood, and we work really hard at building a community here.